By developing the thinking and being dimensions, your child has an enhanced capacity to be thoughtful, mindful, and physically and emotionally active. In fact, your child is now potentially ready like a multi-purpose tool with a good grip. However, in spite of this, parents often express that the child does not convert his or her potential to action. Most parents shared specific concerns to highlight the importance of the third dimension of doing. Mr. Gupta shared that his child knows a lot about various topics but is not able to express effectively. Mrs. Patil excitedly shared about her child's ability to empathize but hesitates while speaking with others. Well, Mrs. Premlata is worried about her daughter falling into unresourceful patterns of excessive screen time and procrastination. She often feels that her daughter struggles to prioritize and complete her studies and other tasks. Finally, Mr. Ghosh often observes his child step back from taking initiative and decisions, even in simple tasks with his friends. Discipline, too, is a struggle with his son. Well, taking forward our metaphor, what good is the multi-purpose tool if it doesn't deliver or perform effectively? Parents' investment in classes on public speaking, confidence building, goal setting, etc., only introduces children to these useful skills, but making them a part of their behavior requires a lot more. At Nova Leaders, by way of drama-based, hands-on activities, role plays, real-life experience, simulations, and case studies, not only do we introduce the child to various soft skills and models, but also ensure understanding, application, and continuous practice with peer and family members to build this dimension of effective communication and behavior. As corporate trainers, we see companies spend most of their training budget on communication and behavioral workshops for their employees. How about giving your child an edge over the others in the future and get them to work on these skills from today? Your wait is over. To know more and to register your child for the Nova Leaders program, click on the link provided in this video.